Modern Javanese architecture house design. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we present a stunning showcase of modern Javanese architecture house design. Immerse yourself in the beauty and elegance of traditional Javanese elements seamlessly blended with contemporary aesthetics. From the intricate details of carved woodwork to the use of natural materials, every aspect of these houses exudes timeless charm. In this series, we'll showcase the finest examples of Javanese-inspired houses, thoughtfully crafted by talented architects and designers. From sleek lines to traditional craftsmanship, each dwelling is a masterpiece that reflects the spirit of Java's rich history. Join us on a visual journey as we explore the interior and exterior features of these exquisite homes. Discover how architects and designers have artfully combined Javanese cultural heritage with innovative design concepts, creating spaces that are not only visually captivating but also functional and comfortable. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a design lover, or simply seeking inspiration for your dream home, this video is sure to captivate your imagination. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on architecture, interior design, and home improvement. Thank you for watching. Step into the enchanting world of modern Javanese architecture with our captivating house design showcase. On this channel, we bring you a visual feast of contemporary homes inspired by the rich cultural heritage of Java. Get ready to be mesmerized by the seamless fusion of traditional Javanese elements and cutting-edge architectural concepts. From the graceful curves of joglo roofs to the intricately handcrafted wooden facades, these houses are a true testament to the timeless beauty of Javanese craftsmanship. Virtual tour of these breathtaking homes, exploring their thoughtfully designed interiors and lush outdoor spaces. Experience the harmony between nature and architecture as each residence embraces its surroundings in the most elegant manner. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a design aficionado, or someone in search of unique home ideas, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more exceptional content on modern Javanese architecture and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this journey of creativity and cultural admiration. Get ready to be inspired by the captivating charm of modern Javanese architecture house design. Thank you for being a part of our creative community.